starting on hole 17 tees. We'll get a little more of a golfer's angle on this hole. Sod will be laid around the bunkers this week. The celebration sod around the green is really taken nicely. We've in fact mowed it twice already. We get a look at the 40 pine trees and 11 sable palms that have been planted behind the green. We have many more plantings that will be installed in the weeks to come back here. Now we're getting a little look at the cart path that was slightly rerouted behind the green and heading towards 18 tees. I was really pleased with the way this portion of the project has come out so far, and it will only look better once we get some more plantings in this area.